How to fix app not installed error in Android. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And on today's video, we will see some steps to fix if you have an error that says app not installed in your device. So without further ado, let's get started with this video. Firstly, you have to check your storage space. Ensure you have enough space in your device. If you don't have enough space, you can go to your settings, then go to storage and free up some space if necessary. But if that's not your case, and if you have enough space and still you have that error, the second thing you have to check is the Play Protect in your Play Store. Sometimes Play Protect blocks certain application. So to fix that, you have to open up your Google Play Store. Tap on the profile icon from the top right. Here tap on Play Protect. Then again tap on the settings icon from the top right. And here you have to disable this toggle that says Scan Apps with Play Protect. Then tap on Turn Off. Provide your device a verification. So once you have disabled it, now you can go back and try to install the application again. If that still does not help you, the app might not be compatible with your device. So you have to verify if the app matches your Android version. And the next thing you have to check is to enable the unknown sources in your device. So for that, again, you can close this, go back to your settings and open up settings in your device. Once you're here, tap on apps, scroll down a bit and go to special app access. Here, again, scroll down and tap on install unknown apps. Now from here you can enable the permission for the app that you're using to install the application. That might be file manager or browser. So if you are installing the application via browser, tap on your browser and then allow the permission. After that, try to install the application again. If not, now check for the duplicate or similar application which might block the installation. So you have to uninstall the previous version of the application if it exists. And if that still does not help you, now the cache might be causing the issue. So in order to clear the cache, again you can close this. And under the settings, tap on apps, tap on see all apps. Here tap on three dot from the top right, then tap on show system. Here using the search icon, tap on the search bar or search icon and in the search bar, search for package installer. So you have to clear the cache for package installer. Tap on storage and cache, then tap on clear cache. Now once you have done that, you can go back and try to install the application. So following all these steps, your problem will get solved. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful. And if you are new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.